Hey everyone, in this video, let's find out how you can get the IBAN number for the HSBC app in the UK. In order to do so, here we are in the Cider AI extension for Chrome, and according to Cider, in the HSBC UK mobile app, finding your IBAN is quite straightforward, although IBANs are more commonly used for international transaction. But here's how you can find it. First off, you're going to want to log in to the HSBC UK mobile app, navigate to your accounts, tap on the account you want the IBAN for, find the account details, look for a section labeled account information or something similar. View your IBAN. Some banks list the IBAN directly here. If not visible, tap on Manage Account or View Details. Check if there's an option to share or view account details, which might include the IBAN. If you can't find the IBAN through the app, you can also use HSBC's online banking or check your bank statement, as they often include the IBAN. HSBC also provides IBANs for certain accounts, especially if you have accounts designated for international banking. If you're still unsure, contact HSBC customer support or visit your local branch for assistance. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you're interested in taking advantage of Cider AI, take a look at the link in the description. There you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our top AI tool recommendations, including Cider. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.